Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It is April 5th. We do have, corn starting off a little better, up about 1.50 cents. Beans down 2, wheat down about 3 cents. I think it's a lot of unwinding of spreads, though. As you look at what's happened here after that USDA report, and it was bearish on corn, but maybe neutral to friendly for beans and wheat. Now we've got some unwinding of some spreads. And we're starting to see some support for corn and maybe a little bit of weakness here for beans. And wheat still kind of holding its own yet, right at this 470 area for May Chicago. But we'll see how that kind of plays out today. Big question is what about these beans? Are they strong? Are they weak? Where are we headed? We know bean oil has been very strong, and China's appetite for veg oils is still a lot of demand there. And when you look at the Malaysian palm oil market, that has been supported just as bean oil now continuing to give a little support for beans. So continue to watch that here as we move forward. But that's probably going to give a little support on these beans here as of yet. So another thing to remind you guys is that looking out to next Tuesday. So a week from today, we've got another USDA report, supply and demand report, probably going to be reminded of big ending stocks once again. So any kind of strength that we get right now may be met with some selling. You've got a lot of producers that are looking for some kind of a bounce here that they can go ahead and sell against as well. So that may try to cap any kind of a large rally that we may get at this time. So keep an eye on that as we go into this report here next week. Not a lot of news out there other than that. A lot of producers getting ready to get moving in the fields over the next few days. I heard a guy down in Missouri starting yesterday and starting to catch wind of others starting here and probably will pick up over the next several days. But looking at livestock, cattle, expect some back and forth trade today for cattle. Box beef, though, coming in a little lower. Choice down 160. Select down about 70 cents. We did have show list numbers out yesterday. Not really supportive for these markets yet as well. But have we done enough? Cash is going to be king. Where are we going to finish out the week? That's going to be the most important thing as far as cattle. And so I'm expecting to see some back and forth trade here today. And maybe we'll see a little bit of support after the sell-off that we had here last week. Hogs, you had cutout values still trying to climb up 23, but it seems that April contract still wants to try to get near that $70 mark. Keep an eye on that, but we do have just another few weeks here for that April contract for hogs, and the cash market or the cash index and futures are going to need to come together here at some point. Outside markets, stock market right now down about 120 points. You got crude oil down right now just 5 cents, and then the dollar up about 21. So give us a call if you have any questions. We're here to help you out. 800-262-7538, or check us out on the web at allendale-inc.com. You guys have a great day out there. We'll talk to you again tomorrow. Take care.